Hi, my name is Marylito. Our topic is needle theory. First of all, let's talk about different needles configurations. As you can see on the board, I'm showing for you different type of the needle, and here you will find out information about all needles what we have from the Vertix company. First needle is 1 RL needle. As you can see, it's just one needle and you can place just one dot or one pixels with this needle. Let's see what configuration we have. 1 RL 20 long taper, 1 RL 25 long taper, 1 RL 33 long taper and 1 RL 38 long taper. With these needles you can do all parent makeup procedures, and the most popular are 1 round liner 25 long taper and 1 round liner 33 long taper. There are 12 boxes of different types of 1 RL needle. 1 RL needle we can use for all parent makeup techniques, for eyebrows, for eyeliner and for lips. And it can be SMP, freckles, areola restoration and scar camouflage. Next needle is 3 RL needle or 5 RL needle. And you will have 3 or 5 dots or pixels. And you can see here on the board, I put it how it's looking like in the cartridge. There are 3 boxes of different RL liner needle. 3 RL 20 long taper, 3 RL 25 long taper and 5 RL 25 long taper. As you can see here, 3 RL can be with needles of 20 and 25. The most popular are 3 RL 25 long taper and 5 RL 25 long taper. Let me show for you the difference between 1 RL round liner needle and 3 RL and 5 RL. For example, this is 1 RL round liner needle, and this will be just 1 dots, 1 pixels when we will penetrate the skin. When we are going with 3 RL needle, you can see we have 3 dots and 3 needles will be together. Let me show for you how it will be looking. In the cartridge, it will look like that. You can see 3 dots, and when you will penetrate the skin with the 3 needles, it will be 3 pixels. And next one, 5 RL liner needle. It's when we have 5 needles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they will group in round shape like you can see here in 3 RL needle, and you will see 5 needles together, and when you penetrated the skin, the pixels will be with 5 dots. 3 and 5 RL needle we can use for eyebrows, for lash line, for lips, for scar camouflage and areola. Another needle is 3, 5 and 9 RS needle. This is shader, and as you can see as well in round shape, just the difference between liner and shader is that the needle has space between them. I'm showing for you here how it's look like. There are 4 boxes of different RS needle. Needle is 3 RS, round shader. 3 RS 25 long taper, 3 RS 25 medium taper, 5 RS 25 long taper and 9 RS 25 long taper. The most popular needle are 3 RS 25 long taper and 5 RS 25 long taper. Pencils again helping me to show for you how the needle looking inside the cartridges. And you can see it's 3 needles in round shape, and you can see the space between them. When you will be working with this needle, it will be 3 dots, 3 pixels in the skin. And let me show for you on the board how it will be on the skin when you press it. It will be 3 dots. 3, 5 and 9 RS needle we can use for eyebrows, for eyeliner, for lips, for scar camouflage and areola as well. Another needle is 5 or 9 sloped needle, and it will be 5 or 9 pixels on the skin, and needles grouped in one row in sloped row. There are 2 boxes of different sloped needle. Sloped needle, 5 sloped needle, 25 long taper, and 9 sloped needle, 25 long taper. The most popular is 5 sloped 25 LT. Now I am showing for you with the pencil how this needles is looking in cartridges. And as you can see, it's 1 row needles, 5 or 9 needles, and it's sloped row. And when you're working with the skin, you will have 5 dots, just you have to work with the angle with these needles. You can use this needle for eyebrows, for lash line, for lips, for areola, and scar camouflage. Another needle is 357 flat Magnum needle, and here I'm showing for you how it's looking 5 needles, and together it will be grouped in 1 row. There are 3 boxes of different flat Magnum needle. B configuration of the needle: 3 flat Magnum 25 long taper, 5 flat Magnum needle 25 long taper, and 7 flat Magnum needle 25 long taper. The most popular is 5 flat Magnum 25 long taper. Please see how this needle will be looking in the cartridges, and as you can see, 5 needles in 1 row, and pixels will be with 5 needles. And you will have 3 flat Magnum needle or 5 or 7. It will be 3 needles or 5 needles or 7 needles. 3, 5, 7 flat Magnum needles you can use for eyebrows, for lash line, for lips, for scar camouflage and areola as well. Another needle is 5, 7, 9, 11 curved Magnum needle, and sometimes it's called U Magnum needle. There are 5 boxes of different curved Magnum needle. The biggest configuration of the needle is U Magnum or curved Magnum. 5 U Magnum 25 LT, 7 curved Magnum 25 LT, 9 curved Magnum 25 LT, 9 curved Magnum 25 medium taper, and 11 curved Magnum 25 LT. The most popular are 5 curved Magnum 25 LT, 7 curved Magnum 25 LT, and 9 curved Magnum 25 LT. There are 2 rows of needles, and if we are looking, for example, for 9 curved Magnum needle, it will be 5 and 4, and together you will see that it will look in same like 5 flat needle, just it will be 9 needle because it will be 2 rows. In the cartridge it will look like 9 needles together in 2 rows, and you will implant a lot of pigment. This big configuration of needles you can use for eyebrows, for lips, for scar camouflage and areola. 1RL is the most popular needle for parent makeup technique, but you also have to know about all types and configuration of needles what we have on the market right now, because it will give you possibility to perform your procedure faster and quickly to implant the pigment into the skin. For example, when you are working with lash line, you can use 3 or 5 RL liner needle, or you can use 3, 5 RS shader needle, or I like to use 5 slope needle as well, and sometimes I even can use 3 and 5 flat Magnum needle. For lips, I can use 3 or 5 RL needle, 3, 5 RS shader needle, 5 slope needle, 3 and 5 flat Magnum, and 5 curved Magnum. For eyebrows, I can use 3, 5 RS shader needle, 5 sloped needle, and 3 and 5 flat Magnum, and 5 curved Magnum. Let's take a closer look to our 1RL round liner needle. And as you can see here, I put the different diameter what we have on the market. And it can be 0.20, 0.25, 0.33, 0.38. And as you can see here on the board, there are 4 different dots. and its pixels, how it will be looking on the skin. With this pencil and machine, I would like to show for you what's the difference between diameter when you are choosing the diameter for different type of the skin. For example, 0.20, it will be the smallest needles, and 0.25, it will be a little bit bigger. 0.30 is the most popular needle, and 0.38, it can be big 1 needle. The most popular needles for all PMU procedure is 0.33 and 0.25. 0.20 you can use for thin needle, for delicate skin, if you would like to have small pixels. 0.33 needles you can use if you would like to get bigger pixel, and you can use it for different type of oily and combination skin as well. Now let's talk about different types of taper of the needle. It can be long taper, medium taper, and needle can be also textured unpolished. The needle with long taper will have a very sharp tip of the needle. Needle with medium taper will have not sharp tip of the needle. The long taper needle is more popular because it's easier to penetrate the skin with the sharp tip, but it's more traumatic. If you are working with medium taper, you can work with oily combination skin and the trauma will be less. 1 RL 20 medium taper, 1 RL 25 medium taper, 1 RL 33 medium taper, and 1 RL 38 medium taper. The most popular are 1 RL 25 medium taper and 1 RL 33 medium taper. Long taper needle and medium taper needle is polished needle. Textured needle, it's when the taper of needle is unpolished and you can grab more pigment and implant a lot of pigment into the skin, but the trauma will be more than polished long and medium taper. Textured needle, 1 RL 20 long taper textured, 1 RL 25 long taper textured, 1 RL 33 long taper textured, and 1 RL 38 long taper textured. The most popular are 1 RL 25 LT textured and 1 RL 33 LT textured. As you can see in this pencil, the tip of the needle is sharp and this is a long taper needle. In next pencil, as you can see, the tip of the needle, it's not too sharp, it will be medium taper needle. And as you can see here, the needle is not polished, and this will be the textured unpolished needle. Now I would like to show for you the difference how we are working with 1 RL needle and how we are working with 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 configurations of needles. And when you can see one needle and you pressing the skin, you will have one dot in the skin and you can see how easy I penetrate this surface. When you take in 3 needles, for example, liner, shader, flat or bigger needle configuration, and when you will be working with the skin, when you will penetrate the skin, it will be a little bit harder for you to make these 3 dots together. That's why when you are working with the skin, you have to do more pressure when you are working with bigger configuration, or you have to work with the angle. Please enroll on my PMU artist community and get access to all my online courses and network with all colleagues. Thanks for watching. Please sign up on my online courses. See you soon. Bye bye.